Hi, teachers and staff. Let's walk through how to assign a progress report template in the staff portal. Before that, let's go over how progress reports usually work. The admin starts by creating a template and sending it to the teachers. The teachers then fill out the reports, assessing how their students are doing. Teachers submit the completed reports to the admin. The admin reviews everything and shares the reports with the students and parents if linked to a parent account. Now, if your template is ready, let's dive into the assignment process. It's simple. In the navigation menu, click Progress Reports. Make sure you're on the Template tab, where you'll see a list of available progress report templates. Next, find the template you want to assign, use the search bar or scroll through the list to find it. Once found, click the Assign button in the Actions column next to the template. In the Assign pop-up window, type in the report name field. If needed, toggle the deadline required option to set a submission deadline for the report. You can also turn on late submissions with a quick toggle. You can switch between reports for children or adult students below. If you don't need a report for every student, simply delete the All tag and type the specific course or student name. Alternatively, you can manually select from the teacher list. We'll send separate progress reports for each of their students. Use the search bar to find them quickly. Once everything looks good, click the Proceed button to complete assigning to teachers. Once you're done, let's check the Sent Out reports by heading to the Reports tab. This tab displays all assigned reports along with key details and their current status. Let's break down the status column. Assigned or pending means the progress report has been assigned to the teacher. Filled in shows the teacher has completed assessing their students and finished the report. Submitted means the report is ready for your review. Once submitted, you can review it and, if everything looks good, send it to the students. The status will then update to completed. There are also statuses that reflect delays. Delayed means the progress report is past the deadline but hasn't been submitted yet. Missed deadline indicates the teacher did not complete the progress report and late submissions were not allowed. Going back, let's locate the report we just assigned. You'll notice that multiple reports are sent to teachers for each student they handle, a handy shortcut to streamline the process. These reports are currently set to assigned. That's all it takes to assign a progress report. Now we just wait for the teachers to fill them in. Once they do, we'll be ready to review and submit. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.